winter means snow removal. If you live in the Front Range, this is going to apply to you. Snow removal is oftentimes very, very difficult. It's really hard to manage, and I'm going to talk about a couple things that you need to take into consideration when deciding how you want snow to be removed from your property. Trigger depths. The industry standard for trigger depths is 2 inches on walk areas and 4 inches on drive lanes. I would say that that's industry standard, but some of the things that I wanted you to take into consideration is that higher snow depths does not translate over to less cost. If you let, let's just say, 5 to 6 inches of snow pile up on your community before the removal efforts are started, it's often going to get walked on or driven on, and it's going to turn into an ice skating rink. And removing ice is much more costly than removing snow. So if you want to be first on the list, be quick to get your snow removal contract signed. If you're signing your snow removal contract within days of the first snow removal, it's not going to go well. You want to be proactive and really well prepared. You and the manager for your community are going to want to go out to the property with the snow removal vendor and decide where snow is going to be placed. Some communities, there's designated areas. Other communities are developed with little to absolutely no consideration for where snow goes. And so in that event, you need to be well planned and make sure that you know where it's going to go. In the event that there is a large snowstorm, please be patient. That's a lot of equipment. It breaks down, it's heavy snow, and the people who are removing the snow by hand get exhausted. And there's only a certain number of them. Please be patient. The majority of communication that's going to come across is via email. So please look at those e-blasts or look at your portal to figure out when your association is scheduled for snow removal. For board members and managers, and this is the last thing that I'm going to hit on, it's when the snow removal bill comes in. Normally, the association wants service right away, and they demand that they get service right away. And then when the bill arrives, normally they say, oh, I'm not paying that much for snow removal. It's this push and pull with the snow removal provider, and the management company is often between both of them. Because if there is another snow that happens during the time that the association is arguing with the snow removal vendor over the costs, if this snow removal vendor didn't get paid, guess how fast they're going to be to come out and service the association the next snowstorm. So take that into consideration. Be diligent, but be fair with paying that bill. That's really important. So with that, I'm going to leave that there. If you have any questions about this, or if you want to speak more, you can always reach out to me, James Phifer with ACCU. Phone number is 303-733-1121. Until next time, I look forward to bringing you additional educational content.